How do carnivores survive on meat alone? What are the advantages and disadvantages of such a diet? And can humans adopt a carnivore diet too? Hello and welcome to Curiosity, where we explore fascinating and interesting topics about everything. Today, we are going to talk about carnivores and their nutrition. First of all, what is a carnivore? A carnivore is an organism that mostly eats meat, or the flesh of animals. Sometimes carnivores are called predators. Organisms that carnivores hunt are called prey. Carnivores are a major part of the food web, a description of which organisms eat which other organisms in the wild. There are different types of carnivores, depending on how much meat they eat and what kind of meat they eat. Some carnivores, called obligate carnivores, depend only on meat for survival. Their bodies cannot digest plants properly. Plants do not provide enough nutrients for obligate carnivores. All cats, from small house cats to huge tigers, are obligate carnivores. Other carnivores, called facultative carnivores or omnivores, can eat both animal and plant foods. They have more flexibility in their diet and can adapt to different environments. For example, bears are omnivores that eat meat, fish, berries, nuts, and even the roots and bulbs of plants. Some carnivores specialize in eating certain kinds of animals. For example, insectivores eat mainly insects and other invertebrates. Piscivores eat mainly fish. And scavengers eat dead animals that they find or steal from other predators. So how do carnivores get all their nutrients from meat? Meat is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing muscles, bones, skin, hair, and other tissues. Meat also provides iron, zinc, selenium, vitamin D, and vitamins B6 and B12. The latter can only be obtained from animal source foods. Carnivores have evolved various adaptations to digest meat efficiently and extract its nutrients. For example, they have sharp teeth and claws to tear flesh and bones. They have strong jaws and stomachs to crush and break down tough tissues. They have short intestines to quickly absorb nutrients and eliminate waste. And they have enzymes and bacteria in their gut that help them digest protein and fat. But meat is not a complete food. It lacks some nutrients that are found in plants, such as vitamin C, fiber, antioxidants, and phytochemicals. These nutrients are important for preventing scurvy, constipation, inflammation, oxidative stress, and chronic diseases. Some carnivores can get these nutrients from other sources besides plants. For example, they can eat organ meats like liver and kidneys that contain vitamin C and other vitamins and minerals. They can eat bones that provide calcium and phosphorus for strong bones and teeth. They can eat eggs that offer choline for brain health and biotin for skin health. Other carnivores can synthesize some of these nutrients in their own bodies. For example, some animals like dog can produce vitamin C from glucose in their liver. Some animals like cats can convert beta-carotene from plants into vitamin A in their intestines. And some animals like fish can make omega-3 fatty acids from algae or plankton. But not all carnivores can do this. Some animals like guinea pigs and primates cannot make vitamin C at all and need to get it from their diet. Some animals like ferrets cannot use plant sources of vitamin A or omega-3s and need to get them from animal sources. So what are the benefits and drawbacks of a carnivore diet? For some animals, a carnivore diet is the best way to survive in their natural habitat. It allows them to exploit abundant prey resources, avoid competition with herbivores or omnivores, and adapt to harsh climates or seasons. For humans, however, a carnivore diet is not recommended by most health experts. While it may provide some benefits such as improved blood sugar control, reduced inflammation, and increased satiety, it also poses many risks such as nutrient deficiencies, increased cholesterol, kidney damage, constipation, bad breath, and increased exposure to toxins and pathogens. Humans are not obligate carnivores. We are omnivores who can eat and digest a variety of foods. We have evolved to eat a balanced diet that includes both animal and plant foods. This way, we can get the best of both worlds: the protein, iron, and vitamin B12 from meat, and the vitamin C, fiber, antioxidants, and phytochemicals from plants. But what if you are curious about trying a carnivore diet? Is there any evidence that it can help with certain health conditions or goals? Well, there are not many studies done on a carnivore diet, and most of them are based on surveys or anecdotes. However, some of them suggest that a carnivore diet may have some positive effects on certain aspects of health. For example, a study by researchers at Harvard University surveyed over 2,000 carnivore dieters and found that most of them reported improvements in their weight, mood, digestion, skin, joint pain, and allergies. They also reported reductions in their blood pressure, blood sugar, and inflammation markers. However, the study also noted that the carnivore diet may cause some adverse effects such as diarrhea, nausea, fatigue, muscle cramps, and headaches. Another study by researchers at Pennington Biomedical Research Center compared the effects of a carnivore diet and a plant-based diet on metabolic health in 12 healthy men. They found that both diets improved insulin sensitivity and blood lipids, but the carnivore diet also increased lean mass and decreased fat mass. However, the study also noted that the carnivore diet increased blood levels of trimethylamine N-oxide, a compound that has been linked to cardiovascular disease. A third study by researchers at the University of Otago compared the effects of a carnivore diet and a mixed diet on appetite and food intake in 10 healthy women. They found that the carnivore diet reduced hunger and increased fullness more than the mixed diet. However, the study also noted that the carnivore diet increased blood levels of uric acid, a waste product that can cause gout and kidney stones. These studies suggest that a carnivore diet may have some potential benefits for weight loss, blood sugar control, inflammation reduction, and appetite regulation. However, they also suggest that a carnivore diet may have some potential drawbacks for cholesterol levels, kidney function, gut health, and cardiovascular risk. Moreover, these studies are very limited in their sample size, duration, design, and quality. Therefore, more research is needed to confirm the safety and efficacy of a carnivore diet for humans. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for watching Curiosity. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.